Pan-seared salmon should have crisp skin, moist and tender flesh, and fat that has been fully rendered. It sounds tricky, but simple once you know where the problems are and how to avoid them. We've all had salmon with skin that stubbornly sticks to the pan. This happens if you add the fish to a pan that hasn't preheated properly. The skin forms an actual chemical bond that can fuse it to the metal. To avoid this, start by carefully drying skin on salmon fillets on clean paper towels. Excess moisture can cause the temperature of the pan to drop rapidly. Season them generously with salt and pepper. Before adding the salmon, heat a couple tablespoons of light oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. That's an indication that the pan is hot enough and your salmon skin should cook without sticking. The next problem comes up when the salmon hits the pan. High heat causes rapid moisture loss in the skin, which in turn can cause it to shrink. This makes the salmon buckle, which makes it cook unevenly. The solution is simple. As soon as the fish goes in the pan, use a flexible, slotted spatula to hold it down firmly but gently as the skin starts to set. This takes about 15 seconds. Cooking the fish skin side down does more than just give you crisp skin at the end. It also helps the salmon cook more evenly. If cooked too rapidly, the outer layers of the fish will end up overcooking before the inside is done, which can lead to chalky texture and ugly, leaking albumin. Skin is a natural insulator that slows down the rate of heat transferred. Lowering the heat in the pan to medium-low as soon as the fish goes in will ensure even cooking. The real key is to cook the salmon 90% of the way through with the skin side down. It really goes a long way in ensuring gentle, even cooking. For a perfect medium rare translucent center, cook the salmon until it registers about 120 degrees in the thickest part using an instant greed thermometer. By this point, about 6 minutes in, the skin should release easily from the pan. You can use a slotted spatula to flip the fish. A fork or a second spatula will make this job even easier. Since the salmon is nearly cooked through already, all it takes is about 15 seconds on the second side to finish it. Immediately transfer the fish to a paper towel lined plate to remove excess oil, then serve.